Congratulations on purchasing the Oakford 790 Pellet Grill and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your grill, please refer to your instruction manual to make sure all of the grill's parts are included. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly, which is not included with the grill. If you have any questions or concerns during assembly, simply call the customer service line on your screen. Now let's dig in. We'll begin by setting the main firebox on its side and attaching the right cart legs using 3 A screws, 3 B locks, and 3 C washers apiece. Next, find the bottom panel and secure it to the bottom of the right cart legs using 2 A screws, 2 B locks, and 2 C washers at each leg. Once those screws are secure, attach your left cart legs the same way. First to the firebox using 3 A screws, 3 B locks, and 3 C washers each. And then to the bottom panel using 2 A screws, 2 B locks, and 3 C washers. Now let's install the wheels. The Oakford 790 Pellet Grill comes with 2 types of wheels. You have your locking casters and large 7-inch wheels. Install the large 7-inch wheels to the bottoms of the left cart legs by inserting 1 D axle through the holes of the wheel and cart leg, and into 1 E washer and 1 F pin. Once both large 7-inch wheels are secure, simply screw the locking casters into place at the bottom of the right cart legs. With your wheels installed, we can now carefully set the grill upright to install the lid handle. Find your lid handle assembly and remove the 2 screws and bezels located at each end. Once disassembled, place the handle and bezels on the outside of the lid directly over the holes seen here. Then secure the handle in place by reinstalling the screws from the other side, like so. Next, we'll mount the chimney to the top right side of the firebox using 4 A screws, 4 B locks, and 4 C washers. Once your chimney is secure, insert the chimney cap on top, like so. After that, we'll install your grill's side shelf by loosening the pre-assembled screws located at the right side of the main firebox, sliding the shelf into place, like so, then retightening the pre-assembled screws. Use 1 A screw, 1 B lock, and 1 C washer just beneath the pre-assembled screws to secure the side shelf in place. Next, install the left and right front table brackets with the hinges positioned outward using 3 A screws, 3 B locks, and 3 C washers apiece. Now that our brackets are secure, we can mount the front table to the grill using 1 G screw into each bracket from underneath the table. Next, open the lid and simply set the heat diffuser into place, like so, followed by the grease tray, cooking grids, and warming rack. Finally, hang the grease bucket on the hook located underneath the side shelf, and install the power cord from underneath the hopper. Your Oakford 790 Pellet Grill is now fully assembled and ready for use. Happy grilling!